Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, and I've got a dynamite 2012 Boston Whaler 320 Outrage. This is a wonderful boat, pair of 300 horsepower, 4-stroke Mercury Varados. Big area here on the back if you want to swim and play. 4-step ladder that goes down in the water, make it easy for big guys like me to get in and out. As we step in the boat, notice a big seat here on the back where you can get 3 adults across the back here to either be riding out to sea or maybe you're sitting here on the anchor. This seat will very easily fold up out of the way, give us all this deck space back here for fishing. Check out this bait station. Got a nice big deep sink here with the freshwater sprayer. Huge live well, and this bait well is blue so that it's easy to see your bait. It's also got a light in it so you can find them. Great storage here. Fantastic boat. Then I want to show you over here, we've got a built-in fish box. And these can be aerated or fresh water put in there, ice put in there, however you want to keep your catch. Rear corner, another bait well. As we move up towards the helm, you're going to notice that you've got great combing pads throughout the whole boat, as well as your tow situation here so you can lean over. Also, you'll see we got plenty of rod holders, rocket launchers on the hardtop to carry your rods. Then in the helm, got dual ray marines. Right now we're looking at the depth here on our chart plot on the depth finder. SmartCraft, autopilot, and again another ray marine so that you've got navigation, radar, whatever you want to, however you want to mix them up. Also has a remote spotlight up on the hardtop. This boat has the anchor windlass built up in the very front, digital throttle shift controls, and look at this big helm seat up here. Got plenty of room to sit at the helm, plenty of room to lean against, and you got a very, very nice footrest down here so that you can get up and really see great visibility. This boat has this VHF radio on it, the Ray Marine. Also has a secondary VHF up here, an ICOM, which also has a hailer speaker up on the hardtop. As we go forward, one of the nice things on this 32, look at how big this head is. It's a vacuum flush head, so everything sucks back to a holding tank in the back. You've got plenty of room to stand up down there, use the potty, take a shower, and you also have additional storage as well. As we come up forward, got great seating up here around the bow of the boat. Right now I've got the cushions in place. This table will drop down. You've got filler cushions in here so you can make all this very nice for sunbathing or for people to ride up here, whatever they might like to do. In addition, for fishing, all these cushions very easily come out so that we've got the nice fiberglass area up in here so that you can walk all over the bow, work your rods, whatever you might want to do. Look at this great rod storage. Look at how nicely this is finished out, and on Boston Whalers you'll notice that you have a seal under here so that this stays good and dry. Got a fish well here, storage here, again another dry storage area over here on the other side. Electric anchor windlass, as I mentioned, is up forward underneath the hatch. You can operate it with a remote control from the bow or from the helm, either one. Another great seating area right here in front of the helm. You're set low enough so the driver has plenty of visibility looking out here. So this is a wonderful entertainment area up here in the front. You'll also notice on the Whalers how nicely finished the aluminum is, and all the work on here as far as integrating the console, the windows, and the hardtop. Hardtop has outriggers mounted on it that you can operate from down below. We have a hatch on the other side so that you can crawl up on top if you want to. Also, this boat, you'll see that there's the ladder going up the side. So, and check this out. Nice little jump seat here so that if you've got somebody and you're fishing maybe off the side of the boat, or you want somebody else riding near the helm area, you've got this great seat here. These are the bits where your anchor lines come inside, your tie lines for tying up to the side of the dock. Absolutely wonderful stainless steel work on all Boston whalers. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Give me a call. This boat is not going to last long. This is a 2012 32 Boston whaler, rigged, ready to go fishing, ready to cruise here on the river. 300 horsepower Mercs. Boat has been serviced every 50 hours. It is absolutely ready to go.